Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Amrit, and today we're going to learn about a slider, and we're going to do a question about it. So a slider, I'll show you how to create that, okay? But let's go to the question. So before we do that, this is how you create a slider, okay? I'll show you how it looks like. Comment everything except for the slider. Oh, yeah, this one. Where is it? This should be good enough now. Exactly, this is how a slider looks like. Okay? Anyways, let's put, yeah, that's better. Okay, so the topic is we have to choose a number from minus 100 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. And then convert that into Fahrenheit or Kelvin. So we have to press the button. So the formula to find it to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit is the Celsius times 9 by 5 plus 32. But for Kelvin is way easier. Celsius plus 273.15. So create the window and the label. This is easy, okay? You know the buttons, right? Just convert Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And this, okay? From underscore minus 100, comma 2 equals to 100 means it's going to choose any number from minus 100 to 100. Then orient horizontal means it's writing the slider horizontal. By default, right, it's just going to make the slider vertically. That's by default. Length is 200, okay? Now if I do on the function, we have to Celsius slider again. We always do this. Right? You always do this. I mean, we always do this in our code. When we're doing this type of stuff, we always do this in our code. Celsius equals the slider dot get. Then Fahrenheit, which is our variable, right? Integer Celsius, then times, start is times 9 by 5 plus 32. Then message box detail, then Fahrenheit. This is how it looks like. Celsius 1 equals the slider dot get, then Kelvin, right? Then integer Celsius 1 plus 273 plus 0.15. Message box details, then Kelvin, then the K side. We do this with the string formatting. It looks like this. See? So, now convert it to Fahrenheit. Okay, that's a lot. Convert Kelvin. See? Let's try setting 0. Same. Fahrenheit. Kelvin is the same. If I say, I'm going to give you a math question. If I say 100 degrees centigrade, what is the Fahrenheit and what's Kelvin? You can pause the video to find out the answer. And if you find out the answer, just write it in the comments. Okay? You don't need to write in the comments. It's your choice, but you don't have to write in the comments, okay? But if you think you got the answer right, then good. Okay. What I think, okay, what I think the answer should be is, think, let's check here. Hey, wait. I got 212, but 212 as a Fahrenheit. Let's see what you got as Kelvin. So Fahrenheit first. 212 Fahrenheit. Okay, I got that. Let's see what you got as Kelvin. Okay, guys. If you got 373.15 Kelvin, then you're correct. Okay? If you know how to do this, because this thing is not only Python programming, it's also all about mathematics. Coding is just mathematics. All of this right now, it's mathematics. You have to use mathematics here. Okay, this also involves mathematics. Okay, if I pull this to minus 62, negative, right? And positive. Because this has this is a greater number, so this is positive, right? Oh, okay. So thank everyone for listening about the video about how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit and Kelvin. I hope you like it, and bye.